Hey, this is Martin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to develop data-driven buyer personas with Team-GPT. In Team-GPT, I've set up a project and I called it Buyer Personas Agent. Now let's see what's inside. For project information, I've added detailed instructions on what exactly I want to be achieved. And furthermore, I've additionally enhanced it with our instructions enhancer to create it even more detailed and even more precise of what we want to achieve. I've also instructed it to follow the persona protocol PDF that I've also pinned in the project. What this is essentially is a deep research on developing data-driven buyer personas. It has a lot of useful information that I wanted to be always read by the AI and taken into consideration when we develop what we want to do. Let's say that you want to know what the capabilities of the agent are, or let's say someone else set it up for you, so you want to know better of what to provide it with. All you can do is just ask, and it will give you all the information. There you go. It will tell you that it's your personal AI persona development specialist, what it can do for you, the different phases, quantitative data, qualitative data, minimal data that you can work with, and so on. Now, from our dummy brand Mindful Bytes, I'll provide a bit of the information. I'll give it some interviews, some CRM data, and see what I can come up with. And then we have it. After generating for a bit, we have a few personas with many details based on the CRM and the interviews I gave it. Primary goals, core motivations. Of course, this will be even better if you provide more data, like let's say in files you can include your brand guidelines, your target audiences. You can add additional chats and brainstorms from different campaigns that you've done. You can add your Google Drive meets, and etc. So you can generate even better context for the AI to take into consideration when it develops these buyer personas. After all, we've called it data-driven buyer persona. And thank you so much for tuning into this one. Please test it. Tell me what you think, what you don't like, what we can improve with it, and I'll see you in the next one.